Hi, welcome to this video on how to install a SIM card in the Akuvox Web Relay WR01-L and configure the LTE feature. With the LTE feature set up, the device can connect to the network via cellular data, which is ideal for sites without wired internet or as a backup connection. Before configuring LTE, make sure the WR01-L and your computer are connected to the same local network, and you have a valid SIM card with data service enabled. Let's get started. Insert the pin into the small round hole on the SIM card tray to eject it. Place the SIM card into the tray with the correct orientation. Then reinsert it into the WR01-L. For the initial LTE configuration, connect the WR01-L to the same local network as your computer using an Ethernet cable. An internet connection is not required at this stage. In this setup, Power over Ethernet is used to provide power and Ethernet connectivity. Next, let's configure the LTE connection. Use the Akuvox IP scanner tool to find the WR01-L IP address. Then access the device web interface through a browser. Log in with the username and password. Both are admin by default. You will be required to change the password upon the first time login. Go to Network, Basic. Enable the feature. After detecting the SIM card, the interface displays the cellular signal strength. Enable cellular data to allow the WR01-L to access the network through mobile data. Select an available access point from the list or use the auto option. If the required access point is not available, click Add and enter the APN information provided by your SIM card provider. After completing the LTE configuration, wait for the LTE connection to be established. The WR01-L becomes accessible through the LTE IP address 192.168.1.100. Make sure your computer is configured in the same IP range as the device. The LTE indicators light up. Thanks for watching.